You got goals, you got dreams that you want to fulfill, and we're here to help you fulfill those dreams, right? And you're running out of time. So if you haven't done it yet, please go ahead, click on the link, because you need to go ahead and get started becoming financially independent. Putting those dollars that you make to work so you can become financially independent. Listen, a wise old man once told me, you can't save your way to financial independence. You have to have the right vehicle. That vehicle has to give you the right amount of capital so you can invest that capital in the things that you need to take care of, whether that's your dependents, Uncle Sam, or whether it's taking 5, 10, or even 15% of that revenue and investing it in the marketplace. Look, you only got so much bandwidth. There's only one you, and you can only work so many hours. You gotta rest and relax and rejuvenate at some point, right? You only have so much money that you can make. So what you need is a vehicle that's gonna employ you to get more money so you can take those dollars, put those dollars to work. So even when you're sleeping, you're on vacation, no matter what you're doing, that money is making money. That's how you scale, that's how you grow. That's how you become financially independent. And that's what you guys need. So here at SWAT, that's what we teach, that's what we preach, and that's what we practice. We teach our guys exactly how to do that by, number one, enabling them with the opportunity to generate as much money as they want. It's really up to them. There is no limit. There is no capacity to what we do here in terms of revenue. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that revenue and you're gonna invest that revenue so you can put those dollars to work. Again, so even when you sleep, even when you rest, even when you're on vacation, your money is making money. And that's how you become wealthy here in the United States, right? You're not going to save your way to wealth. You have to employ your dollars. And that being said, you gotta have the right vehicle that's gonna get you there. And what we do here at SWAT, right, what we call our SWAT advisors, we not only employ our guys to do that, but we teach our guys to do that. So that being said, if this sounds like something you're interested in, please don't hesitate. Come to at least to our open house so you can ask questions. We have open houses every 2 weeks, right? 2 times a month. Where you can come, you can ask questions, you can hang around like-minded people, and you can just check it out and get clarity on what the opportunity is and what's involved. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, we'll check you out. And if you're a good fit, then welcome to the team, all right? I wanna welcome you guys to our platform, and if you're interested, come on down, we're waiting. This is William Agnew, Road to 100 Million. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.